Berggren here. Take 2 because the sound didn't work the first time. Really quick, please click subscribe. Please click like. It really helps our channel grow. One of the things that we've wanted to do is not only just showcase sailing, but also showcase products and tips and tricks and things that we're using as we prepare for our journey. So we're going to showcase a lot of cool products that we found that work, some that don't work, and we're going to kind of go through those with you. In this episode, we got 2 kind of cool things that we're doing. The first is curtains for here. Now, not normal curtains. As you can see, we do have a curtain rod here, but we wanted something that was a lot cleaner, a lot more streamlined, that could be moving out of the way, that sort of thing. So what we decided to do is we used butcher paper. We created templates of these windows, and we got really thick Sombrella material, and it's the same material that we have on our Bimini and our Dodger. So it matches perfect. It's cut, seamed for these windows, and it has magnets on them that are going to be attached to here. So what we'll be able to do is snap it on, very clean, very dark looking, not letting light in and that sort of thing, and the colors tie in. The second thing that we want to do is actually showcase cool products that we found that work for what we're doing. Now, as you remember, we are putting in a Dickinson propane stove, but we also wanted a second option, and that would be an induction cooktop. So that way we have the option of using both propane and batteries. So what we're going to do, and one of the things I've noticed about using this induction cooktop, it generates almost no heat. It's so nice. It works really fast. Does have a little bit of a power draw, but we're figuring, you know, if we're in a marina, it's perfect. If we've had a lot of sun from solar, that works. Rainy overcast days, we could use propane. Now, one of the cool things we found was these pots. As you can see, they fit nicely in the stove. They have this really nice non-stick ceramic surface. They're nesting, so they don't take up a lot of room. And what's kind of cool is they have these detachable handles. That's good. Plus, these are really, really cool for induction as well as gas and propane. So these kind of work with everything. Now, this is the Shangbear induction cooktop that we got. It's really nice. It's a kind of a commercial model. It's NSF certified, and it works beautifully. Gives off almost no heat. Now, we do like our coffee, so I did find an induction mocha cook pot. Now, this is by EasyWorks. It is really heavy. It's really, really well made. It's not some cheap, thin aluminum thing. Like, this is the real deal. So definitely check that out. The Shangbear NSF certified professional commercial model, and these really cool nesting ceramic pots. We've tried them all, and everything seems to be working really good, so let's show you some of that. sometimes you just need a little downtime, having a cocktail, playing the ukulele, and of course, Lincoln with his new hobby of fishing. And man, did he pull up a stringer of perch. But at the end of the day, we're always back into the groove, working on sails, working on the boat, and doing all the things that we need to do. We always have those days when there's just no wind and not much you can do, but we do like to take those times and those opportunities to work on our piloting skills. You know, docking and maneuvering inside marinas is really not anybody's favorite thing to do. So we like to work on our docking skills. We've pretty much mastered pulling into slips, but backing into slips has always been a challenge with our boat. But we did finally figure it out, and we have now been able to back into our slip pretty regularly with absolutely no problems. Easy squeezy, lemon peasy. And since it was such a beautiful day, Stacy took the helm and she worked on some of her piloting skills, standing turns and getting a little bit more used to controlling that boat. She did great.